Ayan guys, naglilinis tayo ng mga gamit natin and nakalkal natin tong mga article sa dyaryo noon. College pa ako nito eh. Ayan o. So kung taga PUP ka, Polytechnic University of the Philippines, sigurado naaalala mo to. So recap guys, some 31,000 students, faculty, and alumni of the Polytechnic University of the Philippines create a human rainbow at Luneta Grandstand yesterday. The rainbow is intended to boost the image of the school and is also a bid to set a new record for the world's largest human rainbow in Guinness Book of World Records. Ayan guys ha. The previous holder of the record set in Hong Kong used less than 12,000 people. Ayan. So guys, nare-recall ko to. Alam ko, first year college ako nito eh. And then, so kung first year college ako noon, 2004. And guys, 2024 na ngayon. So, 20 years na pala yung nakalipas. Okay? So, wala lang, nakakatuwa lang alalahanin yung, yung human rainbow nung college ako. Nandito ako sa kulay yellow nun eh. So, part pala tayo ng Guinness Book of World Record. Kung napapanood mo man tong video na to and taga-PUP ka and yung school year mo nung nag-college ka, umabot ka dito sa participation ng Human Rainbow. Congratulations and happy 20th anniversary sa lahat ng mga naging part ng Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Human Rainbow for the Guinness Book of World Records.